Hi viewers, my name is Rajendra. Welcome to my channel NEIT Creations. This channel is about sharing you all clear information on computer repair solutions and advice on different brands of laptops, computer parts and its usage, especially tips and tricks and more. As today I am explaining you about the brain of a laptop or computer. By this you can understand what I am telling you about. It's a HDD. You can see on the picture, this is the internal structure of a hard disk. In this video, see these are the parts. These are the different parts. You can see internal structure internally. After opening of the lid of the hard disk, backside lid of the hard disk, nothing but all hard disk is nothing but a storage device and having different size capacity available from different brands. Coming to the point, you can see parts of internal structures, part names as well, power port, data cable port, driver configuration port, read write head, and spindle disk actuator. Because the most important part in this is write or read head, because this handle, this is the arm. The arm will read every sector when we save the picture, or when we write any word document or a picture, you can save on this sector. So this will form in the sectors when we save the file of anything like video. That is will save on the sectors, that clusters, we will call it as a clusters. Video also how the spindle works. This is the video. Thank you.